Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered if your iPhone is tracking your location at any time? Well, you can stop that right now. Today, I want to show you guys two ways on how to stop your iPhone from tracking and spying on you. Now, I am going to get my iPhone here and show you how to do that. Okay? Here we go. First, we are going to open Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and find Privacy. You can see that the very top option is Location Services. Tap it to go to further settings for the applications installed on your iPhone. You can see there is a main option at the top. Tap it to disable all location services for all apps on your iPhone. Right now, no one will be able to track or spy your location. Well, that's the normal way people stop iPhones from tracking and spying their location. Today, I want to introduce a better way: spoof locations to stop tracking and spying on your iPhone. By doing so, you can not only stop someone from tracking your location, but also use location function normally. Okay, let's see how to do this. First, download iPhone Any2 on your personal computers. I have already posted the link in the comment so you guys can check it quickly. After the installation, click Get Started. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer. Now, you can see a map pop up. In order to fake location, you have to select the third icon, which is Teleport Mode. Pin a location on the map according to your need. Then, click Move. See? Your location on the map changed. Let's go back to our iPhone. Open the maps on our iPhone. See? The location on your iPhone also changed. In this way, you can stop spy and location tracking on your iPhone easily without disabling location function on your iPhone. Okay guys, that's the video for today. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Please leave a comment and let me know which way you're going to use it first. Or maybe tell me which way would you prefer. If you found this video helpful, then please hit it with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!